little baby ducks. 2 of these guys got wet and fell in the water and got cold and nearly died today. But they're just fine. Can't even tell which ones. Let's see how Mama and Mama do. I should do some duck egg soap. I know where that comes from. Guys, hiya mamas. Yeah. You're good little mamas, aren't you? Both of you working so well together. Yeah. And here comes Sneaky and Sneaky. They keep coming in. They won't let the other ducks in this area. There's this whole area where the nesting area is. Ducks are pretty much around the whole yard now. The fence was up for the chickens, but the ducks stay. There we go. We don't have chickens anymore, just ducks. Just beautiful little ducks, Muscovies. So here's my backyard, where everybody hangs out. It's an overgrown secret garden.